Alright, just as an FYI, my garden is only 6 weeks old, and it's July the 14th, so I'm very behind. Here we are so far. I got my zucchini garden bed. I've already picked 2. It's only 3 plants, but they grew up pretty large. Let's see if I can find. I got a couple, 1 or 2 growing on that plant, but I can't find any other ones. I got 5 or 6 tomato plants. No tomatoes yet, but they're all decent sized. Come from the other side so you can see without the glare. Going pretty well. I need to weed eat out here because it's starting to grow up again. And then the failure of the garden is the corn. Planted 25. I think I have 7 left, maybe 6. So that was a failure. And then I planted 3 cucumber plants, and they are doing pretty good. And my basil is dying. But I'd already used a lot of it. Put it out here, last ditch effort to see what I could get. But cucumbers should start going here soon, and that's about it. That's my garden. Basic, kind of half aced, I guess you could say, because I'm lazy. Have a good day.